everyone, I'm on the way to Montrose public beach to check out the Ganesh Chaturthi festival. At the Montrose public beach. I'm going to meet my good friend. Her name is Jessie, and we are going to celebrate the Ganesh festival with her and with her family. So let's go check it out.
What's this festival?
Ganesh Chaturthi. It takes the idol and immerses in the sea so that his mom can take him back home.
She is my good friend Jessie. She did her internship in the Pointe Cannoneer for 1 month, and that's how I met her.
It's like it's a god of wisdom, which gives us intelligence and light in our home. If it is a wedding, we must invite him first in the wedding, so that all things can go well. And you have people make donations, like food. Everyone can have food for free, like rice, curry, vegetables.
So there's free food for everyone who celebrates the Ganesh festival. It's literally free. You just do a line, and then they will give you wax paper, split the food, and then they have like a variety of food like rice with curry, vegetable or chicken, and then they do have a line for desserts as well. So it's really nice.
We have puri.
Let's try.
What's inside?
Veggies and curry. This is actually my first time to see a Hindu festival, and my impression is it's pretty nice. They are very colorful. See, they already put some of their colored thing on my face. It's pretty fun. Everyone's so happy. It's very festive. So nice. Of the Ganesh festival. It's their Hindu god. So first they pray at their home, and then they go to the nearby river, or like now we are at the beach to take their gods here, and then they will take Ganesh to the sea with several people like that. So they will do a ritual for the god. They do offer
fascinated with everything that I see. The people that are coming in groups. They carry their gods, and then they offerings, and then they wear like very colorful clothes, and then they put powder like this to everyone that are there. It was so fun. Everything is so lively, and what's amazing is they put up tents so everyone that's celebrating the Ganesh festival can have a food to eat for free. This is actually my first festival that I joined to that doesn't involve alcohol. Except for this guy who came to the festival already drunk. So Ganesh is a Hindu god, and Ganesh represents like the new beginning. So to end my today's vlog, my best day off, the best one I've had so far. As you guys don't know, Mauritius Island is a multicultural country. So we are now on the way back to the club, walking by the beach, check out the sunset maybe in a short while. And yeah, thank you everyone for tuning in to my vlog, and I'll see you to the next one.